What is up? What is poppin'? It's your girl Samarra, and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video.
Got my place like a chimney. Block got a stiffy. I got connection to something like Wi-Fi. Said it wrong, but you read me.
And today, guys, we're gonna be doing my
The orange bootleg color you are seeing right now is temporary, so please ignore THANNNKKKKS.
unboxing video. Oh my god, bro. Your girl finally got her camera! You guys don't know how long I've been wanting to buy myself a camera, like, cause I know nobody else is gonna get it for me. So I picked up a job this summer and I've been saving my checks, saving my coins. And I finally, oh yes, I have a shirt, guys. Yes, I have a shirt. But I've been saving my coin to get this camera. Oh my god, bro, I'm so happy. I just want to thank myself because I really did that. Like, I told myself I'm gonna get a camera by the end of this summer, and I did. And on top of that, I also bought myself a new ring light. I bought a huge ring light, 18-inch, but that's gonna be in a different video coming next week or this week, whichever y'all consider this Wednesday coming up. But yeah, so I'm so excited, y'all. Oh my god, bro, this camera is expensive as hell. I dropped at least like $650 on this camera alone. Like, it's ridiculous. Oh wait, before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button, and stay tuned for some later videos after this video because I'm back on my grind. I'm back on my itch, especially with this camera. This is the Canon M50. Oh my god, look at this baby. I'm talking a lot. I'm gonna put a timestamp for y'all to get to the unboxing part because I'm sure talking a lot. I was gonna get the freaking majiggy Canon G7X Mark II. I don't know what it is, but the thing is I couldn't find it anywhere, and it is cheaper than this, but then it's also like a really more of like a vlogging camera. And you know, I just said, okay, we're ever gonna go big or go home. So we're gonna open it. I don't know if I should angle this camera so y'all can see me like actually unboxing it, but if I do, it's gonna mess with my y'all can barely see me over here. Okay, focus. So when you open it, it comes with freaking majiggy. What is this? A warranty thingy from Canon? I don't know. It comes with a manual book. This is thick. Like, this is like a dictionary thick. Like, basically this is where they keep all the instructions on how to use the cameras, different settings, and all that. And I don't know what all this extraness is. Just get to the camera. First, it comes with this strap. I got the strap on me. It comes with this strap. Like, I think it's like the neck strap, so you can wear it around your neck, I'm assuming. I'll open it later. And then, what's this? Ugh. Here's the battery. And then, oh, these are the lenses. Ooh, I'm feeling professional. Like, it's the professional quality for me. Then, my camera, my baby. And what's this? Oh, I'm guessing this is where you charge it. Oh, you charge the battery. This is where you charge the battery. Yeah, okay. So first thing I'm gonna do before I even open it is I'm gonna charge the battery, because every time I've watched this opening video for this camera, all of them had to charge the battery. So I'm gonna do that first so that I can make sure I so I don't gotta worry about it. Okay. Bougie. Okay, I'm gonna go charge it, and then after I charge it, we're gonna get back to it so that we can actually like see the camera at its use. OMG, bro, it's taking forever. Okay guys, so I'm back like literally like 2 hours later. They weren't playing when they said these batteries take so long to freaking charge. They do. So I'm definitely gonna need backup because the camera. They're finally gonna take it out the wrapper and see what it's. Oh my god. Look at it, guys. It's not that heavy. I mean, it's still like you could feel a little bit of weight, but it's not like heavy. Look at this beauty. Like, you so fine. You so perfect. So I brought a SIM card because a SIM card doesn't come with it if you don't get the creator kit. So I brought one separately for like $13, and I got 64 gigabyte. Oh, it's not even 64. It's 32 gigabytes. I'm definitely gonna have to buy a lot of these because I know they're not gonna last that long considering how much I be talking. Okay. So here's the SIM card. Basically I have to put this small one in here. I'm gonna put the battery first. Hopefully I don't break something doing this. There we go. Gonna put the SIM card. So the battery's in. So now it says turn the camera on and access the menu. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. And y'all, it flips like who you know. Like, you know what? Let me just save this part. I'm making this way more complicated for myself than it actually is. Oh my god, look at this quality. Wow. This is way too zoomed in for me. You need to zoom out. How do I zoom you out? Oh, there you go. Oh my god! Okay, let me record. Oh my god, so you see the difference. This is my iPhone 8, and then this is the camera. Oh my god. Like, oh my god, like obviously I need to apply some settings in it so I don't look so like, you know, I don't know, like ashy. I don't know if it's because of my ring light. Oh my god. This is crazy, bro. I can't believe your girl really like came up. Like, drunk in love, we be all night. Okay, let's go into a dark area and see how it does compared to my iPhone. Go to the corner of my room. So this is my iPhone, and this is the camera. Oh my god, look at me. Look at this quality. Like, I really upgraded, y'all. Like, y'all see the difference? Oh my god, I'm so happy. Alright guys, so that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I also want to apologize again for being gone for so long. I know, but now that I have my camera and then I'm getting my ring light like on Wednesday, videos and the quality is gonna be total 10 out of 10. Like, now we up there and we're just gonna keep growing and grinding together. So I appreciate all of you guys who are still here and still support me. I kind of look really greasy right now. I'm tired. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Love y'all, love y'all, love y'all.
I ain't tripping about no bitch, no, I ain't crashing about no hoe. Bet I rock out with these glizzy like I rock out at the show.